I love how she sounds on this. Oh my gosh. Look at her, bro. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not like saying much. You know, some people prefer that shit, but it's just it sounds me like very like happy.
La 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 la. I see the new evil 적대적인 고난 가스품 넌 덮아 빙지나 시켜 that's my novice is my novice.
Alright, so about to check out CHUU, who now has dropped the MV for her song Howl. I'm not gonna lie, I thought debut was the other song, and this is like just an MV for another song, but it's looking a lot more like this is the actual main MV. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day. She's here with two MVs, and I love that. Okay, I love that. I've seen obviously the concept picture, looks very pretty, and that big monster that's in it as well. Very curious what this is gonna be about. I don't know. Whenever you throw in something like that monster, that big monster, it's obviously gonna either represent something or mean something in the MV. So I'm very curious if I even pick up on it. It was kind of tough also last night because this morning, for whatever reason, I was up still around 2 a.m. to 30 a.m. And I scrolled on Twitter real quick and I saw some article, like some tweets from accounts. Obviously, CHUU had her showcase, and the media were asking her questions, and the obvious that we know would came up, and she started crying and talked about how like she's done nothing like bad, you know, like it was tough to read because it was also a shot of her like wiping tears. It seemed like she was crying. It said that she was crying, I'm pretty sure, the article, and she was just talking about like she did nothing wrong and like, she's very thankful for like fans, like the girls, like the other members of Luna, and obviously fans as well. It's just tough to read that stuff, you know. And something that I didn't mention in the MV, but I caught when I was editing and picking thumbnails, was that when she was sitting in the bed in the last MV, and she had like the two little buns, but on the shadow on the wall there were two horns. That bugged me so much. It was so tough to like see, and like I've mentioned it already, like all the stuff with CHUU, it just felt so like you just feel really bad for what she's been through, obviously for all of them, but we saw all of CHUU things come to light first, and it was just so tough to like see someone that we always saw as such a sweet human being deal with so much BS, and the company try to paint her so evilly. Is evilly a word? That felt wrong. That felt wrong. But you know what? I'm just glad that CHUU's been able to move on to this. Obviously, debut as a soloist. It feels like a re-debut, a comeback as well. It's a new start. It's a new start for CHUU, and I'm excited to be a part of it. So let's stop talking, 'cause I talked a lot. Let's go right into CHUU's Howl. Oh, there's no subs. That's upsetting. That's upsetting. Whatever. Those are posted those pictures from her in that beach scene with the light blue outfit. Hell no. There's something like both slightly adorable, but it's equally nightmare fuel. You know? It's that type of thing. I have no idea what anything sounds like, by the way. I haven't heard anything. Oh, it's blurred. Oh. I'm thinking some shit about to pop up.
이대로 세상이 망해도 잘 됐어 아무렇지 않을 것 같아 한 뼘 더 벽을 쌓아올려.
I got chills, goosebumps. Hold on. Excuse me?
이대로 세상이 망해도
Is this the same Monday she took off in the mirror in that MV?
괜찮아 이곳에서 나는 안전해 그래도 피치 못할 외출 그럴 땐 웃음이란 망토 쓰곤 해 들키고 싶지 않은 나를 하지만 누군간 꼭 알아줬음 해 Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know 해가 져면 get home 해가 져면 get home 세상은 그린 그 무엇도 구할 수 없던 우린 이제 서로를 구해볼까 해 세상이 날 버려도 나는 여기 있어 네가 소리쳐 baby 심히 내게 불러도 나는 거기 있어 안무에 시달려 난 가끔
I love CHUU, man. I love CHUU.
그러다 느껴지는 너의 손길에 누구는 너의 작은 영웅 다시 잠들 때까지 지켜줘야 해 Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know 내가 들리면 get home 내가 들리면 get home 전장 같은 이 도시에서 상처만 남은 우린 이제 서로를
I love how she sounds on this. Oh my gosh. Look at her, bro. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not like saying much, you know. Some people prefer that shit, but it's just it sounds me like very like happy. These are the vibes that need us around you all the time, man. Look how pretty she looks. That shit's just getting bigger, I swear to God. Did it end? Oh, that's such a short song. Look at the moon in the middle of the day, bro. It's always something. I love it. Wow, dude. It's just... I just love all of this for CHUU, you know? I wish I had lyrics present, right? So I could like read them. Understand everything. But at the end of the day, it all just feels like she dealt with like some very like lonely, dark times, bro. And she's able to come out on the other side of it better, like feeling better and everything. I don't know like obviously like, I can't pick up on everything, but look at the you saw the tears in her eyes, bro. This look on her, by the way, I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm just so happy for CHUU to be able to move on from this. Obviously all of them, but CHUU here, she's so good. It's almost like music was like her like escape, kind of. Because this is what she's always like wants to do, and the company was just not with it, you know? I love it, man. I love it. Obviously, if I can't pick up on everything, it's fine, but just seeing CHUU happy, being able to move on from that shit company, it makes me happy, and I'm happy for her. She looks gorgeous. I like the song. It's just sadly I feel like it's too short, because obviously we had the intro part and an outro part, so that takes away from this 3:23. It just fell short, but that's more like a selfish thing. Like I just like hearing CHUU's voice. I just wish it was longer, but regardless. It's just such a good vibe for her, and I love it.
Girl, I'm your candy. 기가 막힌 chemistry. 어느새 넌 주목이는 말 더 원해. Got me feeling like pop rock, strawberry, bubblegum. 주머니 속 향기 넘치면 all I want is you.